According to the all-knowing internet, this was supposed to go away today. It was supposed to change the rain, and it's going to be in the mid-30s, and my driveway was going to melt, and life was going to be good again. I can't believe the internet would lie to me like that. Ridiculous. I'll have to try another site that maybe won't lie to me. So the plan was to drop the trailer off here and take the side-by-side out into the woods so I could see what's going on down there. Do I got trees down? Do I got to clear the trails, etc., etc.? But I just looked at my tire and it looks like it's getting flat. Well, it looks really flat. Now, I've had problems with this tire before, but I think yesterday's wear and tear might have done some damage to it. Let's see. Well, I should say more damage. So, you can see it over there. You can see it's bubbling up. I don't think I should take that out into the woods. It's just not in good shape. Let me bring this back up to the house and see what I can do. So I filled up the tire. It doesn't seem to be leaking. I'm going to get out to the snow now. I'm going to take this bad boy out there, and we're going to see what the trails look like. I hope I don't get stuck. That's done. I want to show you something now. This guy here is ready to fall. That is a widowmaker. I'm going to get past that thing as soon as possible, because that thing's going to fall. Probably next windstorm. Or the vibration of a quad going by it. I really wanted to get an Instagram photo today. This might be it. It's not really egocentric with me in it, but it'll still look good. Not as good if I was in it, but I think as a landscape it might be good. If not, I'm gonna try a different, I've got another idea, but let's take a look at this one. Let's see if we can get this Instagram photo. Well, one of the questions you might have been asking yourself is, why did I decide to clear the trees out on the trail during the snow and not just wait for it to melt? Well, the reason is I want to go play. Well, I think it's a good stopping point to wrap this thing up with a good Instagram photo, don't you? And if the one at the lake didn't take, I've got this one. If this one doesn't take, I got the one at the lake. And if they both took, great. I've got 2 photos for 2 days I can put up there. Great. Let's get after it, right? Let's finish this up. I've got the perfect spot. I didn't mean the perfect Instagram spot would be where I get stuck. All right. Okay. First off, how cool was it that I got it out of there? Second off, I don't have a second off. But I just want to show you how deep I was in here, because it doesn't make a difference now, right? It's pretty impressive that I was able to pull that thing out. I'm happy with myself. It's a win. And with that, I'm going to call this a vlog. Call it good. Thanks for joining me. If you're on YouTube, hit the bell and subscribe. If you're on Facebook, follow, share with your friends. I appreciate it. Leave your comments. Comments definitely drive up the algorithm. I'm learning that. So I would appreciate any comments. Would be great. Anyway, you guys have a good day, and I will I'll see you in a little bit. Thanks for joining me on this.